Hello, guys. It is, I don't know what time it is. Excuse my face. I'm gonna be getting ready soon. I ain't gonna show you the rest of my body because I ain't got no bra on. So it's 2:48, and we were cleaning a little bit, right? You were just making a mess, right? What are you doing? What are you eating? Oh, you eating with Daddy? Yeah? You steal some of his food? Oh, she's like, don't take that last bite. How are you today, Daddy? Oh, he just took a bite.
Outstanding.
Yeah, outstanding. So, yeah, just kind of hanging out. Picture day is today. Thank you guys for all of the well wishes for picture day for Jaelynn. Although, I don't know how it happened, but I left her folder here. But whatever. And it had her money in there, and it's fine. Anyways, what's on the agenda today? We're gonna go to the food truck. Oh, I need to get my phone. So we're gonna go to the food truck fair or whatever it is. Basically, a bunch of food trucks, and you like get the delicious fattiness of it. But it was really far away, and I just didn't want to go because me and Michael both have been on lazy mode today. So yeah. So I'm gonna clean the dining room. I need to, I think maybe the haul of Jaelynn's clothes or Rhilyn's clothes will go up before, but those are all the clothes that I showed you guys. And I need to go put those up, and I'm gonna clean the table and vacuum in here, and then by that time, or actually I'm gonna make Rhilynn some lunch first too. Probably leftover rotisserie chicken from yesterday. Get some lunch? Melon. Got some watermelon, some chicken, and some Cheez-Its. Because Cheez-Its are life, and that's what we always have. Is it good?
No.
Yeah? Are you just too busy? Worried about what Daddy's doing, huh? Is it good?
Yeah.
Yeah? Okay. We're gonna have probably some strawberry milk. You want strawberry milk? You just want to look at Daddy. Okay.
Cause my heart so much misery.
Jaelynn, and I got. Oh, what? Hello, my name is Jaelynn, and today my first day to school. It was very fun, and I shall go to the funway show. That get lot of toy, and I get 10. Wait, that's not 10. 10. So I got.
Turn it around. You can show them that way.
Oh.
See, like this, and then turn it like that, and then you can hold it with one hand, and then show them with the other hand.
Look at all these great stuff. I got 10, and here myself right here, and I got a boomerang. We get the hang away. Oh, I know why I get the hang away. Cover that. Because it goes to the ground. So, do I have this? My baby one. Yeah. And I got a mask. See? Got my mask. Hold on. Oh. Here I am. Right here is that cool. Yeah. Okay, good. I like it. Okay, good camera. So, oh, sorry. And I got a whistle bought it.
We're going this way, baby. So we are heading in to Ikea to get. Do they have like an elevator for this cart?
I don't know.
We might have to ditch it. Huh? Well, no, because Rhilynn already has a cart. So we're heading up to get dressers and I don't know what else. Oh, you want to push the button, JJ?
Oh yeah, we've got that.
Just
The
okay.
here is cheap.
Huh? Got some good stuff.
Aisle 22, bin 31.
Boom. What aisle are we on right now?
This is aisle 20.
So we're trying to find a dressers and we found it. Well, Michael found it. Oh, you found it?
The 3 drawers and the 5 drawers.
Yeah, we just want the 3 drawer.
Alright.
We also got some organizers for Jaelynn's drawers. Hi, Rhilynn. Hi. You be good girl? You be good girl? JJ, stop. And then back out the other side. Here, do it again so I can show her face. Okay. So we're grabbing a bite to eat. We're having a snack right now. We are waiting on Daddy because he went to put the stuff in the car. And I was gonna start getting food, but then it's like the line, and I was like, actually, I cannot manage the children and get food from the tray. So we're just gonna wait. And we're sitting. JJ wanted to sit by the window. We all got Swedish meatballs. Jaelynn got macaroni, and we got gravy, or mashed potatoes and gravy. And then Michael got some fries, and Rhilyn's having a mosh posh of stuff. Ooh, and I got cake. And then we both got, how do you like this?
Good.
You got the pear, and then I got cider apple. Alright, so you're at home and it's 8:30. Yes, almost. Oh no, 8:40. Putting one of the snacks that we didn't eat back in the fridge. Yeah, JJ, go ahead. It's been 5 minutes. Go ahead, start getting ready for bed. Put your same pajamas on that you had last night. Do you understand? Okay. All of our stuff is in the garage. But Michael might be a nice husband and put one thing together tonight.
I might be a persuasive wife and persuade me to put it
That's
together.
probably what's gonna happen. Can you get the stuff so I can show them what we got at least? You ready for bed, little one? I'm ready for you.
So this happened. This is supposed to be white. I built this table and benches. I don't know if I've showed you guys this yet. I built this table and benches for Sarah, our photographer. The tabletop opens up and there is a storage area underneath. Yeah. I built it and I painted it and I did not prime it, which was mistake number 1. And I did not let the paint cure before I put the polyurethane on it. And so this happened, which is mildly depressing. So I've got to sand it all back down and primer it and basically do it the right way. I was in a hurry when I was doing it because I had a deadline that I was on, so I was up to like 3 o'clock in the morning painting this, and yeah, didn't turn out very well. Kind of annoying.
Hubby's being a good hubby. He's putting together. He's so nice. So nice. Super pumped about it. I think I'm gonna have a cinnamon roll to celebrate how excited I am about it. It's gonna look real ugly until we paint it in our room, but after we paint it, it's gonna be beautimous. So I wanted to show you guys, Michael built one. They're really tall, which is awesome. It'll fill up that space. And like I said, they'll be painted black, and I'll show you guys that when it's actually done. But one is done. It's gonna look a little weird until we paint, but I like it. We're gonna head to bed, so I know I'll probably look bad because I fell asleep on the couch, but I will talk to you guys or see you guys in the next vlog. I'm not entirely sure when that'll be, but you know, you'll see the video. So thank you guys so much for watching. Make sure you give this video a thumbs up, comment down below, say hey, all that good stuff, subscribe, and yeah, love you guys.